Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Tom Yum Hot Pot. First, let's gather our essential ingredients for the flavorful broth. You'll need fresh lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, and bird's eye chilies. Gently bruise the herbs to release their aromas. Combine these with water or chicken stock in your hot pot, bringing it to a gentle simmer. This creates the foundational, aromatic base for your delicious meal. Now it's time to build those iconic Tom Yum flavors. Stir in fresh lime juice, fish sauce, and a touch of chili paste to achieve the perfect balance of sour, salty, and spicy. Next, add your chosen protein. Shrimp, sliced chicken, or firm tofu work wonderfully. Allow your protein to cook through in the simmering broth, absorbing all the wonderful tastes. This step truly defines the hot pot's character. With your broth and protein ready, it's time for the fresh additions. Incorporate a colorful array of vegetables like mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, and bok choy. These add texture and nutrients. If you desire, cook some rice vermicelli or thin noodles directly in the hot pot for a more substantial meal. Taste the broth and adjust the seasoning with more lime or fish sauce until it perfectly suits your palate. Your homemade Tom Yum Hot Pot is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it immediately, ensuring the broth remains hot throughout your meal. You might offer a small selection of dipping sauces, like a spicy chili sauce or a sweet and sour option, for an extra layer of flavor. Gather your friends and family around the table to share this delightful, aromatic, and comforting culinary experience. Enjoy every spoonful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.